Here is the base. I've welded the bottom support. This is, I believe, 1/8 inch metal, 1x1. And then that's just the start of the base. I'm hoping to make a stand that is adjustable so I could actually slide what I'm working on, either forward or backward, depending on what I need. I haven't worked out every spec of it yet. I only had drops, so I just welded that piece together. This metal might be 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. The size really doesn't matter. I guess it does, but no, it's 1 1/2 by 1 1/2. But as far as the stand goes, it could have been thinner metal, thicker metal. This is just what I had. You can see I welded a T to the bottom of this, and this tubing for my application is gonna, I don't know yet if it's going to be stable enough, because the smaller pipe is only 1 inch and this stuff's clearly 1 1/2, so there's a little bit of play in there. I'm gonna add 2 legs. Let's see if I can do this. Sorry. I'm gonna add 2 legs basically like that, so 1 there, 1 on the other side, to shore up this. And if that's enough, yeah, it's just kind of slid over the other pipe, making it adjustable to the forward, to the front, or to the back. If the little leg extensions aren't enough to keep that, see how it wants to tilt? It's holding it just like that. So I'm hoping the legs, the little legs we put on there, are going to be sufficient. But if not, then I would have to weld the center T to the bottom center brace. So let's make a little progress here.
Still stand a chance. Perhaps. Now.
Alright guys, this is where we're at so far. Standing on its own, but once I've got my parts or my wheels hanging from the top, I don't know what it's going to do. Its center can move as of right now, go forward and backward. Then that front plate needs to be attached to itself or to the other cross member. Before I attach the top piece, I want to get my holes drilled for the bolt. So that's what I'm gonna do now. We drilled our holes using this bit, just a step down bit from Harbor Freight. And I'll set a hook in there with a couple nuts holding it in place and then move forward. Alright, so now we welded our bolt. We welded it all the way through. Want to make sure that I have good contact all the way through my metal. And we're going to weld that top piece to the top of the middle post and keep it pushing. And I don't think it's any work of art, but then again, it is standing tall.